natural health for beginners.
How to make solid lotion bar. Looking for a mess-free, travel-friendly way to deeply moisturize your skin? In this video, you'll learn how to make a solid lotion bar at home using natural ingredients, with exact quantities to ensure perfect results every time. These solid lotion bars melt on contact with your skin, leaving it soft, hydrated, and nourished, perfect for dry hands, elbows, heels, or even as a body moisturizer. What you'll learn: exact measurements for a foolproof recipe, skin-loving natural ingredients, how to melt, mix, and mold your lotion bars, tips for storage and gifting, ingredients and exact quantities. Shea butter 1/3 cup, about 70 g. Beeswax pellets 1/3 cup, about 60 g. Coconut oil 1/3 cup, about 70 g. Vitamin E oil 1 teaspoon, essential oil, optional, 10 to 15 drops. You can use lavender, peppermint, sweet orange, or any essential oil of your choice for scent and extra benefits. Equipment needed: double boiler or heat-safe bowl plus saucepan, silicone molds or muffin tins, stirring spoon, measuring cups and spoons, step-by-step instructions. Melt ingredients. In a double boiler, combine shea butter, beeswax, and coconut oil. Stir occasionally until everything is fully melted. Add extras. Remove from heat. Stir in vitamin E oil and essential oils, if using. Pour into molds. Carefully pour the mixture into your silicone molds. Let them cool and harden completely, about 1 to 2 hours. Unmold and store. Pop out the solid bars and store them in tins, jars, or wrap them as gifts. Tips: store in a cool, dry place. These bars can melt in hot weather. Great for DIY gifts. Wrap in parchment and tie with twine. Add a pinch of mica powder for a natural shimmer. Why you'll love it. These lotion bars are chemical-free, zero waste, and ultra-moisturizing, a must-have for natural skincare lovers. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more DIY skincare recipes with exact quantities.